Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can download a free template from Elementor, and you can see that there is a button here that is free template button, and if you go to the free template page you can see that there are a lot of template here and all of this template are 100% free. Today I am going to show you how you can download this free template. The restriction is you can download only a single template. The restriction is you can download only a single template for a lifetime. Let's see how you can download this free template. First of all, you have to click on sign up, and you can see that there is a button here logging and sign up. So please click on sign up button. You need to fill up this form. Let me add the first name and the last name. You can choose a username. Add your email address. Please keep in mind the email address should be valid, otherwise you will not get the coupon code. So I fill up all the information here, then click on register button. You can see that you already sign up. So this is your dashboard, and when you will sign up you will get a mail. So you already created a account on Elementor. You can set your password here. After few seconds you will get an email from Elementor with the coupon code. The email is landed on promotion tab, so please click on this email and you will see that there is a coupon code here. So please copy the coupon code. I am going to copy the coupon code. Then I'm going to click on free template. I'm going to choose this one. So please click on add to cart. It will redirect to the cart page. Click on proceed to checkout. Paste your coupon code here and then click on apply. Add your address, city here, to mention the country, then state and zip code. Please click on continue to payment. Check it, then click on place order. You already placed the order. Please go to the email address, then click on inbox, and you can see that the order is completed and you can download the template from here. So please click on download the template here. So please click on download now and the template file will be downloaded, and you can see the template file is already downloaded. Before importing the template, please check the video and it will be easy for you to import the free template. If you need any help to importing free template, please join our community. Also, you can join Facebook group and LinkedIn group. Please don't forget to rate us our template. Thanks for watching this video.